morning. Welcome to today's van build vlog. Well, this week's van build vlog. If you're new here, hello. I am Julia. I'm building out this Ford Transit to be my tiny home on wheels. Yada, yada, yada. You know the deal. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. So today we're going to be putting the ceiling up. Maybe. So step one is we have to go to Home Depot. So while the van is running, I'm going to take the measurement of the ceiling to see how many boards I need to get, so that when we go to Home Depot to get the ceiling boards, we're well prepared. I have spent the entire day with my little sister, and she's been hanging out with me while I've been doing the board. She doesn't like to be on camera. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing to the boards, how I'm staining them, because they are so gorgeous. Like, I'm staining them on the empty side and not on the design side, because I feel like the design is going to be giving a little bit too much in the van. It's going to look a little bit too busy. So we're doing the plain side. I'm starting with the color white. Now that my board is pretty much white, I'm going in with the oak color and just rolling that on top of it. We're gonna wipe it all off with a towel. Just for reference, this is the board we just stained, and this is what it will look like after we finish staining. Now that it's been sitting for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead, do another coat of the golden oak. And now we're just gonna do another little wipe off, and it's done. Hello, hello, hello! We're putting up the ceiling boards today. I'm just starting with the framing of it though. So I put like some rivets up in the little holes that the van has, and now I'm just putting the boards on top. Hello, I have spent literally all morning trying to figure out how to get the ceiling on, trying to calculate like how many boards I need, how many are gonna fit into what area. It's been a whole lot, and I realized that I have definitely overcomplicated the ordeal, so we're just gonna do this from left to right, and whatever bumps in the road happen, we'll deal with as they come. That's my new strategy. having a rough day. Half the ceiling is in. My dad is helping me. He's holding up the boards while I can screw them in, because this is a 2-people job. Putting up 10-foot boards by yourself, not gonna happen. Anyways, he's helping me put a board up, and he goes, "So weird that you're not putting insulation." I forgot to bring the insulation with me. So I'm just gonna try to like stuff it back in there. Ugh, this is so annoying. I did not have enough insulation to finish insulating the entire ceiling, so I have to wait until Monday or Tuesday of next week for it to arrive. Good morning. The sun is shining today. It's not warm, but the sun is out, so that's fun. But let's see if we can get these lights to turn on, shall we? There is nothing worse than getting all prepared and then realizing you don't have something very essential that you need, which is Loctite in my case.